It's so gloomy today. So it's already an accident on the freeway and it's not even 3 o'clock. And tonight's festivities.
You know what I mean? Like some funky.
Let's get some jams going up.
Ukrainian. Where's Bruce Leroy?
It looks so different in here. Oh my god. So you admit you're intoxicated.
Yes, I've been drinking whiskey.
Oh, turn you all the way up.
Physical education.
I'm backwards. What? You got some papes? Anybody got some Oh, so here's the thing. We need you to shoot a documentary.